are also doing Duolingo in our private and our in our private time.
Start the position, yo.
Hey, welcome to Ghana Living episode 3. We have moved to another state and we are in Amanfro, close to Kasoa, if not Kasoa. And I cannot give you a mini tour of my room because this room is abysmal, as my brothers would say. So what we are doing now is that we are getting ready to go out. We are getting ready to go and sort out our immigration things. So we are going to see you when we are having lunch. Bye.
This is what the hotel looks like. This is what the courtyard looks like. Then this is the pool. The hygiene use is questionable. I am too scared to even put my feet in there, but it looks very photogenic. But as for swimming inside it, I feel like I would jump in and jump out with something.
And they'll give to someone else.
So descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that is.
We are currently at the NTN office and we have been standing in a line for 2 hours now, only to have them tell us that they cannot give us another SIM card with our passports, that we need a non-citizen card. But a few of them said they can help us out, so that's what we are waiting for. Yesterday, our mission was to start sorting out our immigration details, but it wasn't that successful because the person that we were talking to was talking nonsense. So we are going to our language school today to get our admission letter, our enrollment letter, just so that we can start the immigration process. We are here for study. We want to study German in an actual language school, and we are taking our German lessons very seriously. We have a private tutor that is taking us on A1 German, and once she's done taking us, we'll start the A2 level with our school. So let me know if you guys are interested in learning any language, and if you are learning any language, tell me the steps that you guys are taking to ensure that you learn it properly. So you're going to see us at the language school. I want to go there and make sure that it's a real institute, meet all the teachers, meet the proprietor before we proceed to making payments for our school fees. Then I guess from there we are going to go to the immigration office to start processing our student permits. Okay.
Then what's going to be the point? I think you catch them one. You just be working out.
We got done with the school yesterday and we just got through with the immigration. We just got through with the immigration. Now we are having lunch. Let me show you what I am having for lunch. And this is rice and stew again. I really like their rice and stew, and I'm eating it with chicken. This is the place. Very unique setup.
Let me do it for you. You want that shape? That makes sense. What's the name? For face.
How they show all of us they show.
Let me see. How much? It's good enough. How much is one? One is how much?
One be 20 Ghana.
20 Kasoas. Kasoas.
20 cities.
No. We want to buy for family, so give.
Maybe it be 20 cities. That one down here be 5 cities.
Let me see that one of 5 CDs.
5 cities don't fit in.
It's 5 CDs.
Yeah.
Does it come in different colors? Let me know. Ooh. Doesn't look present. Is the 20 CDs on that is presentable?
This one beast. Ladies, they use women, they use.
You sabi this one, but
See,
this is your price.
this one be our local base.
Local.
Our own local
Accra,
base.
right?
You know the
Representing Ghana, Ashanti.
Yes, if you want to marry or if you want to do traditional things and you never wear this one, you know be traditional or maybe you Ghanaian.
Okay. As Nigerian now, you can give this thing to us. We can wear it.
You can wear we local this thing for Ghanaian. Everybody can get their own design.
It's true. It's
Are you
true.
getting me? And if you hold this, everybody knows it be Ghanaian.
Odemma.
See,
How much be this one?
all of them be 20. Now this one different day, but my own finish. We have 5 CD.
Will you reduce price because we want to buy for family?
Come out so that I will dash you some. I
Don't be
don't
that and you reduce price now.
See, if you take 5, I will take the one, this thing 1 dash, so I'll take the money 4. I'll dash
Okay.
you 1. Are you getting me? I know they say
You know, feed dash us too.
no. I know they
If you buy 10, you go dash us 3.
If we buy 10, you go dash us 3.
no. Small money. Oh, you better do me at the sell.
We know be Oyibo now. We are not Oyibo.
You know you the pass you book. You get money pass you book.
Where did you see it?
Oh, you both people go see them now. Them they become junkies. But they with this inside.
Our naira, you know, say the naira we dey use for Nigeria. Our currency no strong. One of your naira, one of your CDs, 100 naira for our inside.
1 CD.
1 CD, 110 naira. 110 naira. 110 naira na big money for us.
Why? So if I go buy what I go carry Ghana must go.
You go carry big plates of say comot.
Ghana must go buy car.
I'm telling you.
Una get Ghana must go. Una they call and Ghana must go.
Ghana must
Must go, church.
Shege banga. You are a stupid person too. He's the one that said it, so I'm saying it now.
You know us, oh God. So how much you go sell us this one? You know,
So how many you don't take? So take the one you want.
I should not video here.
We are back from Kasoa market, and obviously we cannot come to Ghana without seeing what the country has to offer, so we went to the local market to see what we can get for our peoples back home. We got these beads, fucking expensive, but we got different colors for all our loved ones back home. We are not cheated. I still did this. We also, as a hair care girly, you know, we cannot leave the market without getting hair care products. Now this is coconut oil. I am not sure because it has a smell that is not very coconutty. This is Mikesh hair conditioner. The lady that sold this to me was a viper, very abrupt, but she says that it can be used to detangle the hair. We also got raw shea butter. Their shea butter for some reason is different from the Nigerian shea butter. It's more refined. Let me open it up. It is more smooth, more refined, more, it's just different. Like it sinks into the skin once you apply it. So we got like two these things, 2 cups, because my brother is interested in using. It's different. Then we got some hair greases. This is virgin hair grease, obviously, and we got this hair food, and this classic hair. All the names should not deceive you. They are all hair greases. Then sulfate. This is for my scalp. My scalp is itching me like crazy, so I had to get something that is oil free and petrolatum based with sulfur. This has sulfur active 2 or 3%. I can't remember, but when I used it in the past, it really helped me with my itchy hair. I didn't get shampoo because I still have tons of shampoos at home, and I am satisfied with how they work. And if I'm in another country, what I actually focus on getting are hair care products and maybe oils, which I have done. So I'm very happy with my purchase, especially the souvenirs for my family. So that was it. I placed an order for custom made ice cream and it was arrived. 2 liters of chocolate and vanilla. Bring the vanilla close to the camera, man. 2 liters of chocolate and vanilla goodness. And it is giving everything it's supposed to give. And this is, I can't remember the name of the ice cream company, but Telo. Shout out to you people. It took them 24 hours to get this together for me, and I said I wanted to make it 3 liters. I wanted to make it 3 liters, and they were like, they will have to get that to me on Tuesday because it takes time to create perfection. This is the most unique, the bestest ice cream I've ever tasted in life, and it is very affordable. I was just waiting for that. Shout out.
Anyway, so we are done with the immigrations. We have successfully submitted our documents. Hopefully, fingers crossed that we will be able to get our student permits without any hiccups and obstacles. I'm going to have to sign this video off here. If you liked, like. If you care to see more, consider subscribing, and see you in my next one.